If you work in a biology lab, you oftentimes what happens is you get this protocol. I'm telling you, no biologist follows the protocol to a T because biology is different. Like, for example, I talked about yeast cultures. You make the buffer, all this, and yeast like bacteria. If you follow the protocol exactly and you do it one day and the next day, the growth of your yeast will be drastically different. So you
Yeah.
gotta play jazz, right? Like you gotta basically say, you know what? When I'm making my bread, let me add a little bit of flour. This is too dry. Let me add a bit of water. And this sort of, I feel like mathematicians and AI folk or pure theorists kind of look at the world and they'll be like, there's a protocol. It will fit this protocol. Let me try to get this very specific general solution. And what kind of occurs is in a lot of discovery, when you're trying to understand the problem, a lot of vendors will just tell you this is the solution. Instead of trying to
Hmm.
understand what is, right? Like what is life for this person doing the
Right.
work. And that's been our guiding principle from the beginning. We don't pitch solutions, we often try to understand. And half the time we're just like, if a company isn't willing to let us understand, we don't work with them. Like it's that
It's the first
strong
thing.
of a
Yeah.
principle for us.